getting you ready for life's boot camp. All right, let's talk functional fitness. What's it all about? Imagine this. You're chasing your dog around the park, or sprinting to catch the bus, or maybe even just carrying those heavy grocery bags. That's functional fitness in action. It's about training your muscles to work together and prepare you for everyday activities. We're not just talking about lifting weights in the gym, although that's great too. We're talking about movements that mimic real-life situations. Think of it like this. Life is a bit of a boot camp, right? You need to be ready for anything. Functional fitness gives you the strength, mobility, and endurance to tackle whatever comes your way. No more feeling winded after climbing a flight of stairs. So ditch the idea of just building bulky muscles. Functional fitness is about building a body that's ready for anything. It's about moving freely, feeling strong, and living life to the fullest. Okay, so we know functional fitness gets you ready for life's little adventures, but what are the specific benefits? Buckle up because there are loads.
First off, say goodbye to those pesky aches and pains. Functional fitness strengthens your muscles, improves your flexibility, and boosts your core strength. That means less back pain, better posture, and feeling like $1,000,000.
Next up, let's talk energy levels. Functional fitness is like plugging yourself into a power socket. It boosts your metabolism, improves your cardiovascular health, and leaves you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. No more afternoon slumps for you.
And hey, who doesn't want to feel more confident? Functional fitness helps you build a strong, capable body that you can be proud of. It's not about fitting into a certain size, it's about feeling good in your own skin.
So, there you have it. Functional fitness is like a superpower that makes your daily life easier, more enjoyable, and way more awesome. It's time to ditch the excuses and get moving. Remember those everyday activities we talked about? Functional fitness turns you into a total pro at them.
Imagine this. You're carrying your toddler up the stairs, no problem. You're effortlessly lifting heavy suitcases into the overhead compartment on a plane. You're even winning those playful races with your kids at the park. Functional fitness helps you move with ease and grace. It's about bending, lifting, twisting, and reaching without even thinking about it. No more pulling a muscle reaching for the top shelf.
And let's not forget about balance. Functional fitness improves your stability and coordination, so you're less likely to take a tumble. That's especially important as we get older, right?
So ditch the struggle and embrace the power of functional fitness. It's about conquering everyday challenges like a boss and living life to the fullest.
Okay, so we've heard about all the amazing benefits, but what's the science behind it all? Why does functional fitness work so well?
Functional fitness focuses on compound movements, which means you're using multiple muscle groups at the same time. This is how our bodies were designed to move in real life. These compound movements are like rocket fuel for your metabolism. They burn more calories than isolated exercises, helping you torch fat and build lean muscle mass.
So there you have it. Functional fitness isn't just a trendy workout fad, it's backed by science. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real people who've experienced the life-changing benefits of functional fitness firsthand.
I used to get winded just walking up a flight of stairs, says Sarah. But after incorporating functional fitness, I have more energy than ever before. I can keep up with my kids and carry heavy groceries with ease.
John, a 60-year-old retiree, credits functional fitness with improving his balance. Now I feel much more stable and confident on my feet.
These stories show the incredible transformations through functional fitness. It's about feeling your best and living life to the fullest. Get inspired. If they can do it, you can too.
Hold your horses. Before you go full steam ahead, let's talk about safety. Functional fitness is awesome, but it's important to approach it with caution, especially if you're new to exercise.
First things first, listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, too fast. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a super strong body.
Next up, focus on proper form. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than to risk injury by rushing through the movements. If you're unsure about your technique, don't hesitate to ask a qualified fitness professional for guidance.
And finally, don't be afraid to modify exercises if needed. There are always ways to adjust movements to suit your fitness level and any physical limitations you may have. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder.
So there you have it. By following these simple precautions, you can enjoy all the amazing benefits of functional fitness while staying safe and injury-free.
Who said working out had to be boring? Functional fitness is all about moving your body in ways that are both effective and enjoyable.
One of the best things about functional fitness is that it's incredibly versatile. You can do it indoors or outdoors, with or without equipment, and there are endless variations to keep things interesting.
Try incorporating fun activities you already enjoy into your routine. Go for a hike with friends, play frisbee in the park, or even have a dance party in your living room. The possibilities are endless.
And don't forget to add a dash of fun to your workouts. Put on some upbeat music, crack a few jokes with your workout buddy, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself when you inevitably trip over your own 2 feet.
Remember, fitness doesn't have to be a chore. It's about celebrating what your body can do and having fun while you're at it.
Here's the best part about functional fitness. It's for everyone. It doesn't matter your age, fitness level, or experience. There's a place for you in the functional fitness family. For beginners, start with bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. These movements help you build a solid foundation of strength and mobility. If you're more experienced, you can challenge yourself with weights, resistance bands, and more advanced exercises. The key is to continuously progress and keep your body guessing. And remember, functional fitness isn't just about physical strength. It's about building mental resilience and a positive relationship with your body. It's about celebrating what you're capable of and embracing the journey, no matter where you're starting from. So what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch the excuses, embrace the power of functional fitness, and join the movement. Your body will thank you for it. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of this functional fitness extravaganza. You're now armed with the knowledge and inspiration to transform your daily life. Remember, functional fitness is about building a strong, capable, and resilient body that can handle whatever life throws your way. It's about moving with ease, feeling confident, and living life to the fullest. So what's the next step? It's time to take action. Lace up those sneakers, grab a friend, and get moving. Start with small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress along the way. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of functional fitness enthusiasts out there ready to support and encourage you. So get out there, have fun, and embrace the transformative power of functional fitness. Your adventure awaits. Now go out there and rock it. You've got this.